We are going to make Aunt Esselstyn's garlic mashed potatoes. Welcome back to our channel where we offer tips on being plant-based. If you're looking for a channel where you can learn lifestyle medicine tips from a vascular surgeon who treats cardiovascular disease, then this is the channel for you. We also upload podcast interviews from experts in the field of plant-based nutrition. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification button to receive notifications every time we upload a video. Do not start off with your water boiling and then put the potatoes. Start them off at the same time. So basically you want to be able to cut your potatoes to about the same size. She says the smaller they are, the faster that they will cook. Okay, so about even size. So I have 6 Yukon potatoes, and Esselstyn says that these are some of the best potatoes to use because they tend to be creamier and better tasting when you're mashing potatoes. So again, these have already been rinsed, and I'm going to start off the temperature. I'm going to start right now, turning on. We're going to boil for about 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, so here we are. These are 6 Yukon potatoes that are already cut evenly, and we're going to start them off in the water. I have the potatoes ready. Here is a bowl, and I went ahead and drained my potatoes. They're still warm. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and mash them, and then these are the other ingredients that will go in the potatoes according to Anne. So let's begin to mash them first. So she says to add 1 to 2 minced garlic. It really depends on you. We have 2 minced garlic here. You can also add garlic powder if you wanted this to be a little bit more garlicky. Then we're going to add half a cup of almond milk, unsweetened. Okay. Continue to mash. Now the next thing I'm going to add is that's nutritional yeast. I've already measured it out and says to add 1 tablespoon per potato. So this is going to be 6 tablespoons. She did say it'll dry out a little bit, and that means that we'll have to add more milk to that. So we add a little bit at a time. I'm going to add the rest of this, and then I'm going to add the rosemary. She mentions crushed rosemary in here. And finally, we will add black pepper. Let me just kind of continue to mix it here. A little bit of milk if it gets too dry. Okay, this is a good time to give it a taste test. Check for dryness, check for spices. I would add a little bit more garlic. Just going to kind of finish mixing it up a little bit. so that everything gets has nooch. And I left the skins on here, which is also really nice. So we're gonna have mashed potatoes and gravy and biscuits and then pie afterwards. So the mashed potatoes are ready. So this is the nutritional yeast that I use for most of the time at home. All right, and here you go. I have Ann Esselstyn's garlicky mashed potatoes along with her mommy's mushroom gravy, and I added some green beans, and let's taste it. Delicious, very good. Next time we're gonna try the stuffing, Brian's famous stuffing. Okay guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe.
Hit that notification button.